Alright, to do a little more here, you can go into different questions and then click on it and it'll give you the answers. Lithium batteries with 100 watt hours or less in a device. Can you carry on? Yes. Carry on bags, check bags, special instructions. Lithium batteries with 100 watt hours or less may be carried in a device in either carry-on or in checked bags. Loose lithium batteries are prohibited in checked bags. For more information, go to regulations on which I'll see FAA regulations on batteries. I also caught something down here. It says final decision rests with the TSA officer on whether an item is allowed through the checkpoint. So don't piss them off. That's all I can say. Okay, let's see what FAA regulations on batteries. Airline passengers and batteries. PDF. Okay, let's see. Batteries carried on airline by airline passengers. Frequently asked questions. And I'm specifically just going to go with the lithiums here. What kind of batteries does the FAA allow in carry-on bags in an aircraft cabin? Lithium is what I'm looking at right here. It says lithium ion batteries, rechargeable lithium batteries, lithium polymer, LiPos, secondary lithiums. Passengers may carry all consumer-sized lithium ion batteries up to 100 watt hours per battery. Size covers AAA or AA, AAA, cell phone, PDA, camera, recorders, handheld, tablets, portable, standards. The watt hours rating is marked on newer lithium batteries and explained in 3. External chargers. External chargers are also considered to be a battery. Those are quick charge. Okay, that's what I understand them to be, is quick charge, not the ones you plug into the wall and then charge your battery with. That's not a battery. Okay, those are converters. With airline approved devices can contain larger lithium batteries, 101 to 160 watt hours per battery. I'm not going to worry about that. Let's see, and that's basically let's see. What kind of batteries does FAA allow in checked baggage, including gate checked bags? Question. Except for spare, uninstalled lithium metal and lithium batteries, all batteries allowed in carry-on baggage are also allowed in checked baggage. Batteries must be protected from damage, short circuit, or installed in the device. Battery-powered devices, particularly those with moving parts and those that could heat up, must be protected from accidental activation. Spare lithium metal polymer batteries are prohibited in checked baggage. Spare. This includes external battery packs. Electronic cigarettes and vaporizers are also prohibited in checked baggage. Checked baggage includes bags checked at the gate or plane side. They don't want it inside. You got to be carrying it. That's what checked baggage is. It's stuff that you're putting in the cargo. You're leaving it at the counter and they're putting it in the back and it's going bye-bye. Not your carry-on, which is in your personal possession. Okay. Is there a limit to the number of batteries or devices I can carry. The main limit of batteries and devices must be for personal use, including professional use. Batteries and power devices carried for resale or distribution by a vendor do not qualify in this exemption. There is a 2 spare limit on large, and see the chart on the next page. What is protected from short circuit? On metal objects such as keys, coins, tools, or other batteries come in contact with the terminals of a battery, it can create a circuit. So don't do that. Alright, this was the other one that we set on here. Alright. Yeah, if I can. Alright. So there we are. I'm going to kick on allowed carry-on. There's actually a picture. Allowed aircraft baggage. TSA security, individual airline, and international rules may at times be more restrictive. Wow. Okay. So note, checked baggage. Checked baggage includes carry-on bags checked at the gate or plane side. No, TSA security rules prohibit some power tools carried in baggage. No watt hours, volts, amps. Checked baggage includes carry-on bags checked at the gate or plane side. Passengers can carry most consumer batteries, portable, own use, used in a carry-on bag. Okay. I'm confused here. Note, one note. Checked baggage includes carry-on bags checked at the gate or plane side. So checked baggage is, I guess, baggage is being checked. So it doesn't mean, so I don't, what's the difference then what's considered the difference between checked baggage and carry? Maybe we're talking checked baggage is going underneath. Batteries allowed in carry-on bags. Carry-on baggage include. Alright. So, carry-on baggage is what you just carried on. For carry-on baggage checked at, yeah. Checked baggage is stuff that's put in underneath. Yeah, well, what I just said. Checked baggage includes, but it says it also includes carry-on bags. Okay, so either way, I guess there's no real definition of. You got a carry-on bag and you got checked. I've always thought checked was you give it to the airline representative when you get your ticket. She takes it, she puts it on a conveyor, and it's gone. Carry on is what you're carrying on, but I guess they could be considered both. Okay, so anyway, okay, so in conclusion, in this case, the drone batteries as long as they're under 100 watt-hours. You can. Batteries allowed in aircraft or airplane passenger baggage according to TSA. You can have, for carry-on allowed baggage, you can carry spare. And according to this, 2 spares and 1 in the unit. Okay? So, but if you're going to put it in baggage, so you're getting baggage claim, okay, that might even be easy. Allowed in checked baggage, you are not allowed any spares.